Welcome to US Bike Pro, your trusted ride source for the latest scooters and bikes. Today's spotlight is on the 2026 Yamaha Ray ZR scooter, blending style, performance, and everyday convenience into one energetic package. Fresh and sporty design. The 2026 Yamaha Ray ZR stands out with its bold styling and youthful attitude. Sharp body lines, edgy front fascia, and striking colors give it a dynamic presence on the road. The sculpted rear design and eye-catching graphics complete its modern scooter look. Engine and performance. Under the bodywork is Yamaha's efficient 113 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine, tuned for smooth acceleration and dependable performance. This scooter delivers peppy response in city traffic and confident cruising for short highway stretches, all while keeping fuel consumption in check, ideal for daily riders. Practical comfort and riding ease. Comfort is a key strength of the Ray ZR. The ergonomically shaped seat and relaxed riding posture make errands and commutes effortless. Lightweight handling and agile maneuverability allow riders to navigate traffic with ease, while the spacious floorboard makes everyday use practical and user-friendly. Features and everyday convenience. The 2026 model comes equipped with a clear analog digital instrument cluster, displaying essential info like speed, fuel level, and trip data. LED headlight and taillight not only improve visibility but also enhance the scooter's contemporary appeal. Under-seat storage provides handy space for helmets or belongings, adding to its daily practicality. Fuel efficiency and value. Fuel efficiency remains a standout trait, making the Ray ZR economical for regular use. Yamaha's focus on efficient performance and rider comfort ensures that this scooter delivers real value for commuters, students, and urban riders alike. Final thoughts. The 2026 Yamaha Ray ZR scooter is a blend of style, comfort, and efficiency perfect for modern city life. It's dependable, fun to ride, and built to meet the NE.